it's me, wonderful Tuesday working day. We have this beautiful patient, really beautiful. I think it's really beautiful, with this beautiful infected toe. Why do I think it's beautiful? Because it has the typical signs of infection. It's got pus, which we'll see in a minute. It's got redness. Maybe turn off the flash so we can see the redness a little bit more. Maybe it's possible. Okay, maybe not. In darker skin individual, it's not always red, it's more like purple discoloration. So what we're going to do is, there's a bit of nail on the side, so I'm just going to clip that back. Sorry, Stephanie, thank you. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. So there's redness, a bit of swelling, there's pus, and this little bit of ingrown nail that's inside. Put that there. You can see the pus coming out already, which is great. So redness, swelling, pus, pain. And there we go. You feeling okay? Satisfying, isn't it? You can see that there's a bit of pus. And usually it's caused by like an ingrown nail digging in. So we just need to release that. There is some kind of tissue here. I'm so sorry. It's a little bit uncomfortable. I think we're good to go. We should check this. Good, okay. Irrigate this. Wipe it down. How does that feel? She says it feels better. So there's a little wound, makes sense, the nail was cutting in. So we're gonna dress that with a small dressing. And then we'll give some flucloxacillin, 500 milligrams, 4 times a day for 7 days. Take it with food, helps with the absorption, protects the guts a little bit too. And then hopefully that discoloration will go down. If the discoloration doesn't go down, then we'll give another round. Sometimes you need 2 weeks of antibiotics, but in theory, once the nail is removed, it should heal very nicely. If it gets worse with the antibiotics, so more redness, more swelling, if it's spreading up the leg, you feel feverish or sick, then you need IV antibiotics, okay? Fantastic. May I show people what your nails were like before, so that they kind of, yeah. So let's pause the camera. If it is maybe the footwear that's contributing to it. So this is the nails before, and you see there's lots of discoloration and lifting. And then this is the other one before. So it's improved greatly, and we treated it and it fully grew out perfectly, but something happened in Dubai and it's gone a bit crazy again. But yeah, that's how it was before.